Animals vocabulary. Cat, cat. Dog, dog. Giraffe, giraffe. Elephant, elephant. Zebra, zebra. Monkey, monkey. Fish, fish. Crocodile, crocodile. Hippo, hippo. Lion, lion. Tiger, tiger. Parrot, parrot. Penguin, penguin. Lizard, lizard. Snake, snake. Meat, rice, chicken, cheese, tomatoes, sandwich, crisps, bananas, spaghetti. Family members. Grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, cousin, cousin. At home. Bed, sofa, sofa. Lamp, lamp. TV, TV. Window, window. Teddy bear, teddy bear. Doll, doll. Prepositions of place, prepositions of place. In, on, under. In, on, under. Let's see some examples. Look at this picture. In this picture, we have a cat and we have a carton. Okay, where is the cat? The cat is in the carton. The cat is in the carton. Look at this picture. In this picture, we have a girl and we have a box. Where is the girl? The girl is on the box. Where is the girl? The girl is sitting on the box. Another example. In this picture, we have a girl and we have a table. Okay, where is the girl? Good. The girl is under the table. The girl is under the table. Let's have more practice. Where is the bee? Good. The bee is on the flower. The bee is on the flower. Where is the dog? Good. The dog is under the table. The dog is under the table. Where is the dog? Very good. The dog is in the box. The dog is in the box. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Goodbye, my students.